So I had a snowstorm come through and we had a meter high drifts all along this edge and this edge, and stupidly I gave away my ATV and plow a few years back when there was no snow in the winters, so I needed to clear this out before the truck comes. It has to drive through there. So I took an IBC pallet. It's out of metal. I knew these are very weak anyway, so I chained it to my Jeep stow hooks here and on the other side, then through here on the top, and it was attached to this, and this is the latch for the hood, so that's the weakest point here. So I put a cheapo aluminium carabiner in here, but as it seems the weakest point is the actual pallet itself. It did a good job, I think, much better than doing it manually, and it took only, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. At least it packed it everything together. And now I know that my Jeep can easily handle a much larger plow, which I already knew, but now I know mine can. But I guess it's time to remove this. That's not gonna be usable anymore.